Hello, this is Lucas from Mercedes-Benz V-Spawn here with a short video of the lovely GLC 300DE Coupe. Now, as you can see, this one is the AMG line, as you can tell, with the lovely chrome pins on the front grille and the much more aggressive front bumper styling, as you can see just here. But this one has a premium package, so we have the multi-beam LEDs, which are the brightest and most intelligent headlights available on the GLC. Now, just coming around to the side, you can see the really sporty feel of the lovely Coupe styling here with the sloping back, but we also have the lovely AMG line alloys here in the multi-spoke design finished in silver. Now, just coming up to the boot, you can see there is a small sacrifice to be made for the Coupe. However, it still has a huge amount of room in the back here, as well as the ability to fold forward the rear row of seats using the metal toggles on either side. This is for the left hand side, and we also have a bag in there which is for the public charger, the 7 kilowatt charger inside the car. So this will charge the car up to 100% in just around or just short of 2 hours. Now, we have a very handy button at the top just to close the boot there, nice and easy. And what I'm going to do just show off a bit more of the shape. You can see the rear end really does look lovely, and you can see the charging point just below the rear light there as well. But I'm just going to jump into the front of the car to show you around a few more of the details that are worth knowing about this lovely GLC. Now that we're inside the car, you can see the lovely digital dash that comes on the premium package, and you can see it is hugely customizable as well. So you can flick on the screen here and change it however you'd like it. A personal favorite being the sat nav, as you can see just there, which will still show you the local charging point. But coming across the multimedia screen, you can see we have our most recent MBUX system in here, and it is very easy to use. Going into phone, you can see we can connect up 2 phones simultaneously for both making and receiving calls. And just coming out of this, we can go into navigation next of all, where we can very quickly and easily see our destinations, as well as all the charging points again there. So you can see there's currently 2 available at our site. Now, to put in the destination, it is as simple as just clicking where to, as we are there, and entering in a postcode. It is honestly that simple, and the car will look after the rest for you. We can also use FM and DAB and AM stations in the radio section there, and going into media, we can operate our Apple Music or Spotify and play it straight through the car from our phones. But one that I always like to mention is the ambient lighting here. So it really enhances the feel of the car, makes it feel a lot more spacious and absolutely amazing. And as you can see, there is a huge number of multicolour modes which you can turn off and choose an individual colour if you so wanted to. Then we can go into the EQ menu, where you can set up a departure time, so the car has 100% charge for that point in the day. And as you can see as well, we have an energy flow, so you can really see where the energy is going inside the car, as well as further vehicle information. But the electric city mode just means that it will preferentially use the electric motor when in a city sort of situation. Now, here we have our climate control options for both the driver and the passenger, but the all-important climate control button is just here, which is where we can preheat or pre-cool the car as required. So if it's a bit icy outside or a bit too hot outside, we can have the car at a lovely level ready for us to jump in. Now, just looking here, we have a wireless charging pad if your phone is compatible, as well as a USB Type-C plug for all our Apple CarPlay and Android Auto needs. And just coming down here, we have our laptop style touchpad, again with the dynamic select button as well, where we can switch between the different modes such as electric, comfort and sport. Now, we can fully adjust the center screen using that side of the steering wheel, and the digital dash, as I mentioned before, is fully customizable again. The Premium also comes with the lovely upgraded sound system, but one that I always like to mention on a hybrid especially is the heated seats. Now, it's much more efficient to heat up the driver this way than heating up the whole cabin, just to save a bit of range if you're wanting to. But again, you can have the car preheated and pre-cooled even while it's plugged in at home, should you want it to be. Thank you very much for watching the video. I hope this contains some information that's useful for you. Please don't hesitate to get in touch if you have any further questions at all for me. My name's Lucas, and you can get me on 01323 465 028. Thank you. Bye-bye.